Page 213. This is Allegro in E minor. This is the primo part of the previous lesson. So the top part, let's look it over and see what we get. It's treble and treble clef signs. Again, that's normal with duet. A lot of times the top part, they'll both be treble clefs. It's the same key signatures we just had. It's G major, 1 sharp. So make sure you're doing the scale and arpeggio, in my opinion, in G major and E minor, because E minor is 1 sharp too. And common time or 4/4 time. I want to take it one hand at a time. Make sure the fingering and all works okay. And I connect everything at first. So it's here. 1 and 2 and rest and. Rest and. Nothing problem here. Now go to measure 5. 1 and E, 1 E and A, or 1 and 1. And it again. 1 and 2. Going on after the repeat sides. Rest. Rest. See, they switch it now. I'm going a little fast. You work it out at your speed. It seems to work okay. You're pretty much staying in this position. That helps. Left hand, what's it doing? It's here. 1 and 2 and. 2 and 2 and this is fun. Let's go down to measure 5. 1 and 2 and 3. There. It's the same rhythm as the top hand, so it makes more sense with the top hand, but you should still be able to play it alone. 1 and 2 and 3. So on beat 2, that's a rest, but then on the end of 2, you come in. 1 and 2 and 3. 1 and 2 and. After it, it's an F8. If you're not sure what it is, spell it out. F sharp, A, and a B. 2 and. Rest. Operating bass. And so forth. Put the hands together. This should be interesting. And I'll hesitate. That's fine right now. I'll do the hesitations later. It's here. Make sure I come up for the rest. It's like a duet going here, isn't it? So let's go to measure 5. It's here. There, okay. It's measure 9 after the repeat sign. It's out the here, here, there. It's the same notes. So once I have the hands put together, then I'll go back over it slowly in pieces and work out the hesitations. And once I can play it slowly with no hesitations, I'll add the articulation. Again, I'm flexing at the wrist, short staccatos. Now you'll notice that the chord in the left hand has a line under it. That's a tenuto. You hang on to that. As I play that, that comes up. And then you got the tenuto there. Hang on to that. Accent. Forth. Measure 9 after the repeat signs here. Same articulation as before. Accent. Measure 12. So add in the articulation, and as the hesitations come back, and they will, stop and work them out. Don't let a hesitation stay. Get rid of it. Then we add the dynamics. And in this case, for the most part, it's going to be whatever hand has eighth notes pretty much. This chord needs to, this is soft. This needs under it. Up. And then come down soft. makes the accented note very loud. Measure 7 very loud. Here, yeah. Now you notice I measure 7 on the quarter notes. It has staccato with the little caret thingies. That's a marcato. It's a stronger accent. It's just a little strong. It's just a little stronger than an accent. And then you're soft here, going on. And then you put in the rest of the dynamics. And once we have that, then I think about the speed. And again, pick the hardest part in it, wherever it is, and how fast can you play that accurately, and that's going to be the speed for now. As you get better, the speed can increase. I don't know where the hardest part for you, maybe it's measures 5 and 6 here. Are those the hardest? What you can do those accurately, it's going to be your speed. And whatever speed you go, the bottom part has to stay with you. You control because you have the melody. Let's play this together very slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'm not going to do the dynamics. I will do the repeats. I'll put the metronome on 1/8 notes. I'll give us 4 quarter note counts to come in. 1 and 2 and ready and go and. And 2 and 4 and 2 and 3 and to the beginning. And 2 and 4 and 2 and 3 and rest and. repeat, and. And